Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel, you are welcome to my page. Irrespective of the jurisdiction you are watching me from, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Everyone is welcome to my page and to my channel. Here on this channel, I talk about stocks, I talk about investment, I talk about derivatives, different ways, different areas to earn income for yourself on the online space. And there is this tips I would quickly like to give here that if you want to invest, you need to take note of, and it will enable you avoid being making investment that will not yield for you. And one of them is, don't buy stocks out of emotional imbalance. Where you are not stable emotionally, don't take decision in buying stocks. This can make you buy high and sell low, which can affect your financial stability. So buy when you are emotionally stable, not when you are unstable in your emotions. When you avoid taking decision in buying stocks when you are not balanced, it will help you a lot. So be stable when you are buying stocks, and don't make decision when you are emotionally unstable. It will really help you. Take decision when you are stable in your decision making process. The second one is expand your portfolio. Expand your portfolio. Diversify your platforms, your portfolio. It will really help you a lot and expand your financial stability. So have investment in real estate, have investment in stocks, have investment in bonds and other area of investment. It will enhance your financial profitability, stability and financial independence. Very, very important. For more earning tips, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share my videos, watch me on Facebook Reels, on TikTok, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and other social media handles. And here you will gain a lot of experience when it comes to financial stability, independence, and you'll be happy you did. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe, and remember to share my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.